A high-quality frying pan is a kitchen essential providing consistent heat distribution and versatility for various cooking techniques. Choosing the best frying pan can elevate your cooking experience and ensure delicious results every time. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 frying pans that you need. Stay tuned and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Tramontina 80114 535DS Fry Pan. This fry pan is NSF certified, meaning it meets the highest standards for public health protection. Made from commercial grade 3004 heavy gauge aluminum, this pan ensures exceptional durability and excellent heat distribution for consistent cooking results every time. One of its standout features is the high-performance reinforced non-stick coating. This makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, and it's even dishwasher safe for added convenience. Say goodbye to stubborn food residue and hello to effortless cleanup. The Tramontina fry pan is compatible with gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops, and it's oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees centigrade. This versatility allows you to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven, expanding your cooking possibilities. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or baking, this pan has you covered. Additionally, the easy grip handle ensures secure and comfortable handling, reducing the risk of spills and burns. And with a lifetime warranty, you can be confident in the longevity and reliability of your investment. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. While the heavy gauge aluminum provides durability and excellent heat retention, it also makes the pan heavier than some other options. This might be a concern for users who prefer lighter cookware. Overall, the Tramontina 80114 535DS Fry Pan is a fantastic choice for anyone serious about cooking. Its superior performance, durability, and versatility make it a must-have in the kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing the Tramontina 80114 535DS Fry Pan, there's a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen product reviews and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Number 2. Blue Diamond Frying Pan. This frying pan is metal utensil safe and boasts Blue Diamond signature diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating, which is 5x harder and 10x longer lasting than traditional coatings. This ensures durability and a superior nonstick surface that makes cooking and cleanup easier. The diamond-infused coating also means that this pan heats up faster and more evenly, as diamonds are 4x more conductive than copper. This ensures that your food cooks consistently and reduces the time you spend in the kitchen. Another great feature is that this pan is toxin-free, free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it a safe choice for your family. The heavy-duty forged base of the Blue Diamond frying pan prevents warping, wobbling, or degrading over time, ensuring longevity and stable cooking performance. Additionally, this frying pan is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, providing flexibility for various cooking methods. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. The riveted stainless steel handle offers a secure and comfortable grip, adding to the overall ease of use. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. Some users have reported that eggs tend to stick to the pan even after cleaning, which might be a concern for those who frequently cook delicate items. Overall, the Blue Diamond frying pan is a fantastic choice for its durability, fast heating, and toxin-free construction. Its superior performance and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing the Blue Diamond frying pan, there's a link in the description below. Happy cooking! Number 3. Lodge CRS-12 Carbon Steel Skillet. The Lodge CRS-12 is made from 14-gauge carbon steel, which heats quickly and retains heat for even cooking. This makes it perfect for searing and browning your favorite dishes. It's incredibly versatile and can be used on gas, electric, and induction stovetops, as well as outdoor grills or open fires. One of the standout features is that the skillet is seasoned with oil for a natural, easy-release finish that improves with use. This means the more you cook with it, the better it performs. The lightweight design and long, comfortable handle make it easy to maneuver from the stove to the table, providing excellent control while cooking. The Lodge CRS-12 is made with non-toxic PFOA and PTFE-free material, ensuring safe cooking for you and your family. Additionally, it's made in the USA, boasting a diameter of approximately 12 inches from rim to rim and 9.875 inches at the bottom, offering ample cooking space. For maintenance, the skillet is quite simple. Hand wash, dry immediately, and rub with cooking oil to keep it in optimal condition. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The main con is that it requires special care to maintain the seasoning. This means you need to be diligent about cleaning and re-seasoning the pan to keep it performing well. In conclusion, the Lodge CRS-12 carbon steel skillet is a fantastic choice for those who want a durable, versatile, and high-performing pan. Its superior heat retention and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing the Lodge CRS-12 carbon steel skillet, there's a link in the description below. Happy cooking! Number 4. All-Clad D3 Fry Pan. This fry pan is a premium 12-inch stainless steel fry pan with a lid featuring a durable and versatile tri-ply construction for even heat distribution and retention. This makes it perfect for various cooking techniques, from searing to sautéing. The D3 tri-ply construction ensures fast and even heat. It's fully bonded to the rim for professional performance and durability. The high-quality 1810 stainless steel surface sears to perfection and is ideal for deglazing to create delicious pan sauces. Design-wise, you'll love the professionally polished stainless steel finish. The classic double-riveted stainless steel handles ensure a secure grip, making it easy to maneuver even when the pan is full. Built to last, this pan is trusted by generations of chefs and backed by All-Clad's limited lifetime warranty. It's oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with any stovetop, including induction. Although hand washing is recommended, this pan is designed to stand up to the rigors of a busy kitchen. Bonded, engineered, and assembled in Canonsburg, PA, USA, since 1971, this fry pan embodies All-Clad's commitment to quality and performance. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The main con is that it's expensive. However, considering its durability and performance, it's a worthwhile investment for serious cooks. In conclusion, the All-Clad D3 Fry Pan is a fantastic choice for those who want a durable, versatile, and high-performing pan. Its superior heat retention and professional-grade construction make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing the All-Clad D3 Fry Pan, there's a link in the description below. Happy cooking! Number 5. Le Creuset Cast Iron Skillet. The Le Creuset cast iron skillet is renowned for its enameled cast iron construction, which delivers superior heat distribution and retention. This means your food cooks evenly, no matter what you're making. Plus, it's ready to use right out of the box and requires no seasoning. One of the standout features is the easy-to-clean and durable enamel. It resists dulling, staining, chipping, and cracking, ensuring your skillet looks and performs like new for years. The black satin interior enamel is specially formulated for higher surface temperatures, enhancing your cooking performance, whether you're searing meat or sautéing vegetables. Despite being cast iron, Le Creuset boasts the lightest weight cast iron biquart on the market. This makes it easier to handle compared to other cast iron skillets. It's compatible with all cooktops, including induction, and is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even use it in the dishwasher, and it's safe for metal utensils, adding to its convenience and durability. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The main cons are that it's heavy and expensive. However, the investment pays off with its unmatched quality and longevity, making it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen arsenal. In conclusion, the Le Creuset cast iron skillet is a top-tier choice for anyone serious about their cooking. Its superior heat retention, ease of use, and durability make it a standout option. If you're interested in purchasing the Le Creuset cast iron skillet, there's a link in the description below. Happy cooking! Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up, and share it with your friends. That's all for now.